Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here at the Rydeen booth and they've got these really cool 360-degree style cameras. They actually have a new version on display here that I wanted to go ahead and show you. Now, for their rearview mirror style dash cams, they're 360 degrees, and so you can actually pan around like this in all the different directions. Now, the way the camera works is there's a 360 cam right here. It's actually facing down, and that's what's gonna be looking around in every direction. And so you can just spin it around like this as you like. Now, let's say you want it to behave more like a traditional dash cam. Well, to do that, you can go over here into the settings, and we're gonna say we want a front-facing dash cam, and it's gonna say position the camera forward. So we'll go ahead and point it forward here like this, and now we have a front-facing dash cam that's effectively an ultra-wide, way wider than a traditional dash cam. So this is gonna be your front dash cam. It's also available with the rear dash cam that goes like on the rear plate. And what's kind of cool is for parking recording, there's also a radar module to give you radar-based parking recording. Now, what's new though is they have a similar one here that's no longer a rearview mirror style dash cam. This is going to be more of your traditional style dash cam. And this one here is going to be a 2-channel solution with front and rear cameras. And if we take a closer look at it, you can see it does the same kind of thing, just in a smaller form factor. So you can spin it around like that. And if we, you can see I got the rear cam here. If we unplug that, you'll get a little better view here of the 360-degree view. Now, if we want to change the camera angles, we can do that here too. So instead of the ball mode, they have a round mode. So if we do this, you'll notice they kind of split front and rear. So I have rear back there and then front like right over there. Plus you can also rotate these around here as well in different directions too. Now, while they're showing the dash cam here at SEMA, it's not yet ready for public announcement or public release. They plan on officially announcing it sometime at the beginning of 2026. And once they do, I'll go ahead and share this video so that you guys can check out this dash cam as well. And down in the description below, I'll put some information to where you can learn more about it, to where you can find an installer who can actually sell you the dash cam and install it in your vehicle. And I'm also curious to hear from you guys, like your thoughts about this dash cam. Which form factor do you prefer? Do you like having like this style of a dash cam? Do you wish maybe some of the specs were different? Do you like the specs? I'm kind of curious to hear your thoughts. I'm just kind of playing around with it again briefly here at the show. But from the idea, I kind of like this idea of a 360-degree style dash cam, and I'm curious to hear what you think as well. And with that said, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all doing great, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.